Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about an undervalued MJ company. I ran across this company because I decided to do research on GTAC, and I was wondering about the quality of their products and what other people had to say online. And because of that, I ran across another company that I thought was very undervalued and very interesting. So I will share in this video what I found. Let's just quickly talk about GTAC Holding. So GTAC Holding, they pulled back to around 80 cents. I don't have a position. I actually sold out at 95 cents for a quick profit, so a quick flip. When it went below 80 cents, I was really thinking about buying it, but I didn't buy it on time and the stock popped. But this temporary pop could be, nothing more than a dead cat bounce. We'll see where this continues. I mean, it could go back to $1. I don't know at the end of the day what the stock price is going to do, but it had a nice little correction, so there's a possibility that this thing can go back to $1. I don't know what investors are going to do at the end of the day, but we'll see. Anyways, rather traders. Anyways, I came because of GTAC. I came across this guy's channel, Session High Life, and he was talking about MJ products, and this guy really likes Quest products. So I was like, Quest, hey? So I went and I did my own research on Quest, and I came across this company. I can't even say Decibel MJ Company Incorporation. And I saw the valuation of $55.75 million, and I was like, whoa, that seems really undervalued for such a high quality product. It's basically either it's better than GTAC. Well, he really likes Quest products. This guy, he really likes Quest products. He also likes GTAC products too, black market stuff too. But but the thing is, this company is valued at $55 million, while GTAC is valued at $141 million. This company is valued 3 times below GTAC Holdings. So I bought some. I feel like this is a great acquisition target. I feel like somebody might want to come in and just completely buy this company out or merge with another company, because they have really good assets in my opinion. So recently they announced, this was a while ago, this was on January 29, 2021, but they receipt of cultivation license for Thunder Child facility and director resignation. Director resignation is not a good it's not good, but the Thunder Child facility is really big facility. It's 80,000 square feet. Since they got their cultivation license, I don't expect them to start selling product from this facility until probably by the end of summer, because they're going to need to cultivate. That's going to be about 6 months, and then they're going to need to get their sales license. So product from this facility won't be available onto the market until the back half of 2021, probably fall of 2021, before we really see this company exponentially ramp up their production facility. So this production facility is could be either the greatest thing ever or the worst thing ever, because right now they can only produce about 1,800,000 kilograms of product. But once they are able to produce 9,000 kilograms of products, will they be able to sell 9,000 kilograms of premium MJ products under the Quest family brand? That is questionable, right? I don't know for sure. I don't know, but I just feel like if you take if you take all their facilities combined, and the company facilities alone should be worth, $50 million or more, in my opinion. So is it undervalued? I think so, but only time will tell where the market will push the stock. I bought some stock just in case the stock explodes, but now that I really think about it, it might not. And there is a chance that this stock may go back down to 6 cents, 5 cents. If it does, I really think that that's a buying opportunity down there. But that's just my opinion. So we'll see what happens. You never know. Maybe they will be able to sell everything, and maybe this company will revenue and profitability will increase dramatically. So I went to Canna stores and I was asking questions. I went to multiple Canna under high tide, and people told me that they just simply they don't order Quest product because it's expensive, and their customers look for more affordable MJ products. They don't look for the high-end expensive MJ products. So that's why Canna doesn't buy Quest products for their store, which that's what it is. But then I also went to Value Buds, and used to be called Nova, but Nova is now starting to convert their stores into Value Buds. And they tell me that as soon as the Quest products come in, they sell out right away because they are very popular. So I don't know at the end of the day. I don't know, but and I also went to Fire and Flower, and they don't have them on their store shelves either. So maybe the MJ companies, they don't want to order expensive product because it's hard to sell. That's probably the reason behind it. If we look on the Ontario store, it does seem to do pretty well. Like, I mean, there's a lot out of stock, and on top of that, they also sell shatter. Unlike GTAC doesn't sell shatter or derivative products, and they also sell vape pens too. And so this company has more than just MJ products. They sell shatter and vape pens. So I don't know. It could be undervalued. It could be a good acquisition target. I don't know at the end of the day. And on top of that, the facilities are also EU GMP certified. But let's look at the revenue. So according to let's just quickly look at the balance sheet. The assets, they have about $1 million of cash, and accounts receivable $3 million. Total assets of $84 million. So look, their plant and equipment on their balance sheet is $60 million. And just $60 million plus $4 million, and they are valued at $55 million. So it is undervalued. I don't move the markets. I just bought some stock just in case the stock decides to explode. I mean, it might not. It might just sit there for a long time, and it might go back down to 6 cents. I don't know at the end of the day. That's the risk of the markets when you buy stock. Sometimes it does the opposite. For total liabilities, they have about $49 million. $60 million of long-term debt, $10 million convertible debentures, and they have about $4 million of cash on the balance sheet. But they did also recently raise another $30 million of debt, so that will give them about $34 million of cash. So the company is not in huge risk of bankruptcy, but at the same time, they do have a lot of debt on the balance sheet. So you gotta take that as a warning sign too, I guess. Oh, I guess another $9 million of debt, $10 million of debt. But if we look at the 3 months ending September 30th, they did make about $8.2 million of cash, which is, the entire years of cash compared to GTAC. And they were profitable because if you take the gross profit before fair value adjustment, it's about $2.9 million, and the sales and administration was 2.643 million. So that means that they made about $300 million of, maybe a little less, like $250,000 of profit. It's okay. I mean, it's better than nothing, I guess, at the end of the day. So they are slightly profitable. They need to be more profitable. So we'll see what happens. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is a turd company, but I still say that at the end of the day, if this thing goes to 6 cents, 5 cents, 7 cents, I think it's a huge buying opportunity. But hey, that's just my opinion. And then if we look at the facility, you know, they also, not on top of having facility, they also have 6 retail locations, 6 operational retail locations, which I find kind of weird because they have one in Edmonton, and I went to this store. I actually didn't get to go inside simply because when I went there, it was locked. So I mean, it was not locked. It was closed on that day. They close on Sundays. They're not open on Sundays, but they're open on Monday to Saturday, but they're closed on Sunday. The MJ products are pretty good. They are ramping up production in a big way. They're going to have about 9,100 kgs of products. So in 2022, for sure, they're going to be selling about 9,100 kg of products. The question is, will they be able to sell all of 9,000 kilograms, or will the company struggle to sell MJ products because there's so much competition in the market? So, you know, I don't know at the end of the day. Maybe now that I really think about it, maybe I should just sell my position as I'm making this video. So, yeah. But the facilities are EU GMP certified. If we look, so they have 3 type of products right now in the market. They have shatter, they have vape pens, and they have the Quest, you know, strains. And the facilities are EU GMP certified, so they are able to ship worldwide. No, that's really all I have to say. But anyways, I mean, at the end of the day, who knows? Maybe like also Cody Churchill, the interim CEO and executive officer, he bought a bunch of shares at 10 cents. So I don't know. We'll see. I mean, at the end of the day, I don't move the markets. I just, you know, I thought this was an undervalued company. But there's definitely risks to this company, like their debt, which is huge risks, in my opinion. Now that it's funny because I came into when I went into making this video, this is kind of bullish on this company. But as I'm making this video, I realized that there is definitely a huge amount of risk in this company. So because of the huge amount of debt they have on their balance sheet. So maybe it isn't. Maybe it's not a good investment at the end of the day, and I made a big mistake buying into this stock, this company. Oh well, whatever. I didn't put that much money into it, so I mean I can always sell out too. Just take the cash. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.